Today we are going to solve this equation, which is x to the power of y minus y to the power of x equal to 17. We are going to find the value of x and y. The solution: now x to the power of y minus y to the power of x equal to 17. Now we can written as x to the power of y whole power 1 minus y to the power of x whole power 1 equal to 17. 1 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2. To apply this here in the power, x to the power of y whole power 1 by 2 into 2 minus y power x whole power 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 17. Now we are going to apply this formula: a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. We are going to apply this here. So x to the power of y by 2 whole power 2 minus y to the power of x by 2 whole power 2 equal to 17. Let us consider x to the power of y by 2 equal to a, comma y to the power of x by 2 equal to b. We are applying this here. Now a square minus b square equal to 17. Now the a square and minus b square will be the product of a plus b, a minus b equal to 17. Now 17 can be written as 17 into 1 and 1 into 17. We know that a plus b is always greater than a minus b. So we are going to apply this here. A plus b equal to 17, comma a minus b equal to 1. We have two equations here. We have two equations: is a plus b equal to 17 is one equation, a minus b equal to 1 is the second equation. Now we are going to add this equation. So this and this will get cancelled. We have 2a equal to 18. Now a equal to 18 by 2. Now the value for a is 9. This is the value of a. Now we are going to apply this in the equation 1. The equation 1 is a plus b equal to 17. We are going to apply this 9 by replacing a value. 9 plus b equal to 17. Now b equal to 17 minus 9. Now b equal to 8 is the b value here. Just recall x to the power of y by 2 equal to a, y to the power of x by 2 equal to b. We are going to apply this values here. X to the power of y by 2 equal to 9. Same way, y power x by 2 equal to 8. Apply square on both sides. X to the power of y by 2 whole square equal to 9 square. This square root will be get cancelled. So we have x to the power of y equal to 81. 9 square will be 81. Same in right hand side, y to the power of x by 2 whole square equal to 8 square. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. We have y to the power of x equal to 8 into 8. 8 square will be 64. The value of 81 power 1, 9 square, 3 to the power of 4. Same as in 64, 64 in power 1, 8 to the power of 2, 4 to the power of 3. If you compare these two, the base and square will be same here only. So 3 to the power of 4 and 4 to the power of 3, we are going to take it here. We know that x to the power of y equal to 81 and y to the power of x equal to 64. Here x to the power of y equal to the 81 we are going to replace by 3 to the power of 4. And same in the right hand side, y to the power of x equal to the 64 we are going to replace by 4 to the power of 3. So if you see this, the base x and equal to 3 in the power x equal to 3 in the power. So the value of x equal to 3. Same way for y in the power y equal to 4. The base here y equal to 4. So y equal to 4 we are going to write it here. Going to check this with the equation x to the power of y minus y to the power of x equal to 17. Now value of x will be 3 and y will be 4. X we are going to replace by 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 3 equal to 17. This 3 to the power of 4 will be 81 minus 4 to the power of 3 will be 64 equal to 17. So minus this 81 minus 64, 17 equal to 17. So LHS equal to RHS, thus verified, and it is proved that it's correct answer.